Hello, fourth graders. This is Amy Fry from Jefferson, and I am going to come today to teach you about generative vocabulary to go along with the module that we are currently studying. The suffixes, which again means a word that is at the end of a root or base word, the suffixes are ity, which is ity, or ty, which is t, at the end of a word. So when you're looking at this, I'm just going to read the definition right here to you. A suffix is a word part added to the end of a base word that changes the meaning of a word. A suffix also changes the word's part of speech. For example, the suffix ity changes the verb prosper, which is up here on our chart, to the noun prosperity. Then, I'm going to pull it down just a little so you can see the rest. The suffix ity and the related suffix ty usually tell about the quality or the state of something. So prosperity is the state of prospering. So if you come up here and you look at the word security, so if you take the ity off of it, let's pull that down again. If I take the ity off of security, I have the root word secure. If I'm over here, it says that it is the state of something or the quality of something. So if I look at secure as my main word and add security, it means the state of being secure. Come over to safety, take off the ty, and you have the word safe. Safety means the quality or the state of being safe. Then the next one, royalty. If I take off the ty, I have the word royal. With the ty added to it, I have the state of or the quality of being royal. So remember that a suffix just changes the meaning a slight bit and can change the part of speech. You always take the suffix off to find what the root word is when it first formed. Knowing the root word can help. Now I'm going to look at a few things here, and I'm going to make sure that you understand what you're looking for in the story you're reading this week. In the Legend of 10 Sons, you're going to be looking and you're going to see some of these words. Like you're going to see the word prosperity in there. It said the world was in a state of prosperity while one sun crossed the sky. That means it is in the state of prospering. And to prosper means to be successful, to improve. So look for some of those words as you're reading this week and as you're reading other books. See if you can find suffixes that have been added in to words. Word study can be lots of fun if you learn to understand what each piece means and how it changes. See you at the next lesson.